Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up an SSH server. SSH, which stands for Secure Shell, is one of the most important tools used in Linux and cybersecurity. It allows us to securely connect to a remote system and manage it through the command line. System administrators, DevOps engineers, and cybersecurity professionals use SSH almost every day to manage servers, deploy applications, and troubleshoot systems remotely. In this tutorial, I will firstly explain the basics of SSH and why is it important. After that, we will move directly into the practical setup where we will install and configure an SSH server step by step. Before we jump into the setup process, let's quickly understand a few important basics. First, what exactly is SSH? SSH is a network protocol that allows secure communication between two systems over an unsecured network. It encrypts the entire communication, which means commands, passwords, and data cannot be easily intercepted. Next, why SSH is important for remote access. As we have seen in many organizations, servers are not physically accessible. They may be located in cloud environments, data centers, or remote infrastructure. SSH allows administrators to connect to these machines securely and control them from anywhere. Finally, where is SSH used in real world systems? SSH is widely used in system administration, cloud management, DevOps pipelines, cybersecurity labs, and even in penetration testing environments. Whenever someone needs secure remote access to a Linux server, SSH is usually the first tool they use. So now let's begin our setup. How to install an SSH server on Ubuntu. So firstly, we need to install and enable OpenSSH server. So let's start now. As you can see, the SSH server was already installed in it. So that's why there is no upgraded, no installed, no removed is being shown. Next, we are going to see what is the status of our SSH server. Okay, so it's running. We are going to check the SSH port. It's working on port 22. We are going to allow SSH in firewall. Now let's identify what is the IP of our machine. So it's given here. Now we are going to open our PowerShell of our home machine and we are going to write it SSH. The name of the machine is sim @ IP. So now it's connected. That's it for this tutorial. In this video, we learned what SSH is, why it is important for secure remote access, and how to set up an SSH server on a Linux system. SSH is one of the most essential tools in system administration and cybersecurity, so understanding how it works is very valuable. Thanks for watching and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.